You need to change your underwear after hearing. No, it's actually, the truth of the matter is it's just below the threshold where you would pass out. That's how loud it is. It's like an aircraft taking off. It's seriously loud. But the beauty is you can turn your head upside down, left or right, lie on the floor, stick your head up someone else's backside, and it's still in perfect stereo. It's like the loudest, intensest. It's like getting hit by a train.
I mean, so many people begin to tell me that the Ministry has become a bit of a tourist resort.
Well, I can vouch for that. I'd say at least 30% of the audience are all... You can tell because they're the ones standing in the middle of the dance floor with their hands over their ears going, "Oh my God, it's very loud. Oh yes." And all looking up and down. And they're the ones with record bags full of slip mats and souvenirs. And yeah. But there's a good few of them.
But they're not actually train spotters, are they? I mean, they almost have their sunglasses and their Factor 5.
Well, I think it's the equivalent of someone coming to a city and saying, "Where's the roller coaster?" You know what I mean? It's like, "Where's the nightclub?" "Oh, you want a Ministry, mate. It's a rip-off inn and it's full of cool people."
So when you go to London, you must do Madame Tussauds and the Ministry.
Oh, well, if you want to go clubbing in London, it's the Ministry. It has to be. Just to experience the fact that it's one of those clubs, you know, seriously well done.
Okay, you played the main room and we're going to hear it. And thank you for organising this for us. I mean, what time did you actually go on it?
A little after 4:30 in the morning.
In the AM?
In the AM. You're going to hear the second hour that I did, and the reason for that is the rest of the building shuts down just as this hour begins, so not only did I have my room to contend with, I had all of the people who didn't want to leave from the other rooms, the house room, the hard room, the two cinemas, the PlayStation room, and the bar. So the place was like a zoo. A crazy, ridiculous situation occurred. So you want to hear that hour first, I think, just to see what I had to put up with. Good fun.
Okay, you must actually tell everybody about the cinemas at the Ministry.
Well, it's all alleged. But they've allegedly shown Clockwork Orange there. They've allegedly shown uncut versions of all sorts of weird films. But it's generally just somewhere interesting to sit. So when you say, "I can't stand this loud noise and this drink, I will go in here."
And of course, there's a lovely Irish girl working over there, Lynn Cosgrove.
I think Lynn is one of those office people. We didn't get to see her. The people
she's there since the very start of the Ministry.
Business side of things, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, the ones on the floor are the ones that I was most close to on the night.
Okay, well, you must have felt very important stepping up to those hallowed turntables.
Well, yeah, I didn't want to make too much of a mess of it because I'd sort of be closing the door behind me for anyone else who wants to get in. Because
okay, listen, what we're going to do, Timmy, is we're going to talk for a few moments after the news. We got to pay the bill. Stand by.
Go.
Hour of your set. Can you describe it in a word?
Well, up until then, I knew what I was doing. Everything was fine. It was just like,
which is typical of you, man.
I know what I'm at here, and but I have to say, I know he'll never get to hear it, and he might have to send him a tape of this, but Alex P was on before me, Brandon Block's well associated with him, but you so sound like, I mean, his Dirty Tricks campaigns, DJs don't like one another, but he was cool. He was like, "Man, look, you got a bit of a problem here. Half the place is into speed garage, and the other half is into light hard techno, so what are you going to do? Leave? I'm going home now."
And is it true that you've actually been signed? Are you working with the Ministry? You're going on tour with the Ministry now, are you?
Yeah, I think there's one in Limerick, there's one in Dublin, another one in Dublin. I think there's Beirut at Christmas, which is good. No, New Year.
New Year's Eve.
Or something.
I'd say it's New Year's Eve.
And there's another one as well. They're being really cool about it.
What was that?
Oh, that's probably Leeds being pulled. But yeah, there's a bit of work to be done. You never know. We might be coming to your town with the Ministry flavour.
Okay. First ever Irish DJ to headline in the main room, which means go on last.
Yeah.
Mr. Spring in the mix, live and direct from the Ministry of Sound in London. Play it loud.
to go to tonight.
You are listening to the Essential Dance Show as we go back to the Ministry of Sound with Mr. Spring.
is Nighttime 2FM.
Tonight, for those of you lodging at home and for those of you staying in tonight, we've got a very special treat. From his set live at the Ministry of Sound, it's Mr. Spring in the Mix.
I'm about to reveal the tales of your life. Too many secrets are locked inside your minds, but you're all equal in life, equal in love. You're all building castles in the sky, dreaming of a better world. Is there life on Mars, you wonder, as you look up into the heavens